For number 8, you're given all these summary statistics, you're given the correlation, and it wants the equation of the least squared regression line. This is when you need to go to that AP formula sheet where it tells you that the slope is equal to the correlation multiplied by the standard deviation of y over the standard deviation of x. This particular problem doesn't give you definitions for what x and y are, but if you're predicting the 4th grade score, that means the y hat is for your 4th grade score. So y are the 4th graders. And you're predicting it from the 3rd grade score, which means you are using you're using your 3rd grade scores as your explanatory variable. So when I go to do this, the correlation is stated to us to be 0.95. The standard deviation of the 4th graders is 12.3. The standard deviation of x, the 3rd graders, is 14.0. So when I did it earlier and then screwed up making the video, I got 0.835 out of that. So I now know the slope of our line. So now we know it's either A or B because those are the only two that have our slope is 0.835. So next I'm going to go to find my y-intercept. On that same formula sheet, you have y bar equals A plus bx bar. You could solve it now for A, or you could just substitute in what you know. I know the average of my y values, my 4th graders, is 55.1. We are solving for the y-intercept. I know the slope is 0.835, and I know the average of our 3rd grade scores is 61.7. So I'll solve for A. I could have gone ahead and multiplied these, but you're going to end up subtracting 55.1 minus that product. And again, when I did it earlier, I got 3.58 for the y-intercept, which would mean when a 3rd grader got a 0, it's predicted as a 4th grader they'll get a 3.58. So that means A would be our equation.